Hi, I'm Otis Dealey, here to get your summer road trip rolling with eBay. If your car or camper van needs some work before all those miles though, you can find and replace whatever you need with eBay's range of millions of parts and accessories.
Fancy treating yourself to some shiny new alloys on eBay and avoiding the sting of garage bills? If you're happy with the current size but just want a new look, start by typing your car registration into the My Garage function so you can find the right part for the right price for you. You can choose from a range of trustworthy original equipment manufacturers including BMW, Audi, Ford and more. If you buy alloys with new tyres already attached, you can replace them as soon as they arrive. Make sure you loosen the nuts before jacking the car up for maximum purchase using your car's special adapter key where needed. Jack your car up one corner at a time, ensuring you use the jack point on your car so you don't damage it. Carefully fit the new wheel before refastening the nuts as tightly as you can, ideally with a torque wrench. Recheck all the nuts and bolts after around 50 miles of driving and tighten them if needed.
Need the right part for the right price this summer? Shop 20% off summer car essentials with eBay.